Okay, so in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to close your Excel if it's stuck. So whenever during in class also, whenever we work on Excel for many times, sometimes it gets stuck. So whenever it's stuck, one thing I can tell you is that don't click on it many times. You're going to make it worse. Just give it some time and see if it comes back. If it's not, you can close it manually. So what you have to do is you just have to move the mouse pointer towards the taskbar, the very bottom strip that you can see over here. So that's where you can see all the apps which are open. So right now I have Internet Explorer, Teams, Excel and PowerPoint. So in this empty space, you just have to right click on the empty space, and then you can see this list and go to Task Manager. Click on Task Manager, and then up here Processes, under Processes tab, you can see the apps that are currently in use, right? So click on Microsoft Excel, just one click, and then below here you can click on End Task. So once you click on End Task, the app is going to close. Okay, I'm going to close this. See, down here, Excel is gone, right? So then you can start over. So you can again type Excel and open an Excel blank sheet. So I would strongly recommend, if you don't want to lose the data that you have already typed in, whenever you open Excel at the very beginning, just go ahead and save it. Click on Save, and then let me save it on desktop. So desktop, and then Scrapbook. Just save your Excel sheet. So once it's saved, whatever you did in that sheet will be saved on desktop. And if it gets stuck, you follow those steps I mentioned, close it, and then click back in and start again, right? So you close it. Let's just say that it got stuck. So I'm gonna close it, Task Manager, Microsoft Excel, and Task. And then let me get rid of this, and then here it is, Scrapbook on desktop, saved on desktop. You just start it, you just open it again, right? So this way you can avoid running into that unnecessary technical issue. And also in D12, again, if it gets stuck, give it some time. If it's not gonna work, close it and then log in again.